Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I wanted to show you my card swap that I do each month with my friends. And let's go ahead and get started. We all use Stampin' Up. We're Stampin' Up demonstrators, and we make cards. I make 8 to 10 of the same cards, and they do as well. And then we all get together and go to lunch, and then we make a couple cards together and we swap out our cards. So I made 8 of these same exact cards, and I used the what's it called? It's the gear set, and I am looking. It is called Gears and Textures. So it's got all these gears, dies, and then there's some with stamps as well. It's got some light bulbs and other fun dies, and then it's got these stamps that just add some great texture on there. So this is my card. I decided for it to just be a little tiny happy birthday and really showcase the card here. And then a couple of gears I stamped on the inside, and that's my card. So I handed these out to the 8 ladies, and then I'll show you the cards that I got from them. So I got this beautiful card. Look at that. Like, that is, whoo, very cute. So we've got all of that perfectly aligned. Again, this is a happy birthday card. And then this one was created by Gwen. And then she also stamped a little tulip down on the bottom. Beautiful card. This one was created by Kathy. And I just look at this, the little fringe scissors here on the designer series paper made beautiful towels. And then this beach scene, this is it cardstock? It is. I was gonna say designer series paper, but she stamped this, and that's cardstock. That again is a happy birthday card. And then the crumb cake with some dots on it made beautiful sand, and then this foam, and just so pretty. So then we look on the inside to a fabulous friend with these beautiful stamps in the sand. Great card, great colors. This one I'm so excited for. I have this stamp set. It's called Critters. Something Critters, cute critters. I probably should have known all this before, but now I'm going to real quick look to see what the name of it is. And I probably put it away because I don't have it in this little bit. Let's see. Nope. It's put away. Anyways, it is very cute, and I have it put away because I am going to use it in an upcoming class. And so I will give you information. If you are subscribed to my newsletter, you'll get that information. Otherwise, make sure you subscribe. You can just go to my site, jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net, and get on my mailing list. Go to BeautyandtheStamper.com. That'll also take you here to get on my mailing list. But look at this beautiful card. And that one was made by Sandy. Then we do have, out of the 8 people, we have 2 people that they don't bring the already made cards. They bring the stuff to make cards. So then we make 2 cards there. And this one was done by Jean, not me. There's 2 Jeans. And this is such a cute card. This again is used with that critter set. So these little critter guys and these little critter guys, same set. And this has the Have the Best Day, the daisy embossing folder, which is beautiful. And then this label. So these are 2 of the exact same size labels, and we were able to cut it in half and put them on either side, which you guys know I love to do. And then it's got the little dots on there as well. So beautiful card. we put the daisies down there at the bottom. So that was a fun card to make. And then the next one we also made, and this is the card here. It opens up and it says, "You're the sweetest." We got to color in the berries, and then this is the lid. It's a die, This was a die. So you stamp it and you die. She also stamped an old olive piece of cardstock that we colored this in with the blends, so you were able to get that darker to lighter when you're blending. But then for the top, it was just a stamped on an old olive, and we just fussy cut that out and was able to glue that right on, and it adds some texture as well. And then the little dot there is a strawberry. And then this card is beautiful just as is, but then that opens up and says, have the best day. So, "You're the sweetest, have the best day." Super cute. And this was a nice little fun fold. So those are all of our cards. I'm telling you, everyone is so talented. And then one of the ladies gave us this little St. Patrick's Day gift. And there's an Andes mint bar in there. So very cute, adorable. And I'm just so thrilled to be able to have friends to stamp with and get together with. We love being Stampin' Up! Demonstrators. If you are interested, please feel free to go to either one of these sites and you can get information on how you too can become a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And you don't just need to live where I live, you can live anywhere within the United States, and we always get together, even if it's on Zoom. All right, my friends, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!